Hello and welcome to another tutorial video on the custom data organizer. Today I'm going to give you a sample of the kind of customization that is possible with custom data organizer by showing you the math shortcode. For this you should already be familiar with the gas mileage calculator preset that we downloaded in the previous tutorial. Today I'll be adding a line to the gas mileage report that shows the number of miles driven since the last fill up. So let's edit the report again. This time I'm going to show you a different way to find your report. So open the menu and let's select the report creator directly. In this drop down you'll see a list of all your reports. We'll select the gas mileage report so we can edit it. Now we're going to edit the data point text to add a new line of information. So first I'm going to add a couple quick and dirty HTML break tags. Then in my new line I click the Add Shortcode button. The Add Shortcode feature provides us an easier way to write the weird looking shortcodes you see surrounded by the double parentheses, so we don't need to type them out by hand. A shortcode is a short string of text that will be dynamically replaced with a piece of information when the report is run. In this case, we're going to select the most complicated shortcode, the math shortcode. As you can see, we also could have added a date, a tracker value, or a whole other report. The math shortcode is unique in that it uses this new window called the Math Helper, which will help you write your mathematical formula. So before we can start, we need to select which trackers we want to be involved in this formula. A tracker is essentially a data set, like a single row in a spreadsheet. As you can see, I'm selecting the current mileage and the gallons tracker. When I hit OK, I now have access to all the variables I can use. I have a set of variables referring to current mileage and another set that refers to the gallons tracker. Then we also have two more variables, one for the current data point index and another which represents the output for the previous data point from the formula we are about to write. If you want to get even more advanced, behind the scenes, I am using a JavaScript library called Math.js. You can find more information at mathjs.org, where you can find more obscure variables and math concepts that you can use in your formula. Now, I don't actually need the gallons tracker, so I'm going to remove that. My formula is pretty simple here. It's just our current mileage minus the mileage from the previous data point. This gives us miles driven since our last fill up. So I just type in A minus B. Now I can select the Output tab to view the output of my formula. You will see each instance of your formula run on each data point, each separated by a pipe. You will need to have some data already entered into your trackers for this feature to work. So now that we've checked our output is correct, we can just hit the Done button, and as you can see, our new shortcode has been inserted into our text. Now we save the report and we see the updated information in the card on our dashboard. So that's a very basic example of the math shortcode. I'm sure you can see it can do a whole lot more. Please comment below on how it can be improved or what you would like to see or how you would like to use it, and thanks for watching.